Our rooms look so much better, and one of the reasons, the hardwood floors refinish, thanks to Cindy Hillier's company who took care of this. This wasn't a very easy hardwood floor to refinish.
It wasn't. It was very much of a challenge.
I know all of the stuff that was stuck to it right at the start there, all the old carpet. How did you deal with all that?
We took the carpet up, and then we had to sand it down with the really rough paper to get all the adhesive off.
I see.
And then we came back and sanded about 3 more times to get it to this look.
Well, I've heard of people trying to use a solvent to get that adhesive off, but that kind of just melts it right down into the pores of the wood, doesn't it?
Right. It would have messed up the wood, plus a lot of the adhesive was in the cracks. We had to get it out of the cracks so that it would take the stain.
Okay. And what about the cracks? I know a lot of times in floors like this, you'll have a few gaps, but you got a solution to that, huh?
We do. What we did was we sanded the floor and got some of the pine dust off of it and mixed it with a lacquer sealer and troweled it all over the whole floor, which filled all the cracks so it would stain the same as the wood. And then we sanded and put the sealer on.
Now I know that you do a lot of refinishing of hardwood floors. What do you recommend to homeowners? A semi-gloss or a high gloss or flat? What's the best?
Well, I like the semi-gloss. It gives them a little bit of shine, and that's what we used here. Some of the houses like to do the satin look, but I just like a little bit of a shine with it. The high gloss, of course, is the most maintenance.
Yeah. And the old hardwood floors like this, especially the pine, they do have a lot of color and everything in it, but is this the natural finish?
No, we used a stain. It was early American we stained this floor with to kind of tone down some of the yellow that's in the wood.
Okay, all right, well shoot, it turned out great, and you're completely finished. Nothing left but to make sure everybody stays in their socks,
right.
huh?
That's right.